Deep beneath the Atlantic Ocean, something mysterious is thumping once every 26 seconds. It was first detected in the 1960s, and seismometers around the world have been hearing it ever since. It's a quiet heartbeat of the planet. It's too regular to be an earthquake and too deep to be shipping noise. For a long time, scientists thought that slow waves of magma or ocean swell hitting the continental shelf were to blame. But no single answer has been able to explain all of the readings. For instance, some recordings show the waves getting bigger over time, while others show them getting smaller. And some show the waves moving faster, while others show them slowing down. It's as if the earth itself is breathing in the dark, patiently waiting for us to notice, and we did. We've been listening to this sound for decades.